Hello, welcome to another episode, web episode, another day with Traders Insight. It is game day with the Fed coming out and essentially probably not going to decide that they're going to raise rates for the first time in over a decade. I just want to take a look at the market and see what we're actually looking at today and see what kind of, what the markets are pricing in. So let's take a look at the futures right now. And right now in the futures, we're looking at 27% IV. And if we take a look at the options chain, well, if we take a look at the October 15th, which is going to be in about 29 days, let's check the strikes. So right now we're at 1982.50. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the 5 strikes away is pricing in at around $57 for the calls. And if we go 5 strikes this way, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have the put side only costing $50. So with the calls costing more than the puts, there's some more upward bias expected. So I think that even if they do raise rates, which they probably won't, the market's already pricing in an expected upward move. So you can take that and use that in your own trading when it goes today, because you start with a general market outlook at where the stocks are going, and you can go down to different sectors and try to find performers and non-performers there and make trades on that. I'm going to be definitely looking at gold today. Yesterday there was a couple of big moves, and if we take a look at the chart, get rid of this. If we take a look at the chart on a 5-minute chart, we can see that it's come down a bit today, but there hasn't been too much movement. Yesterday there was just these huge ramps in the middle of the day before its session opened, and it peaked around 11:23 yesterday. So the gold is going to be a good indication of carrying costs and whether interest rates are going to affect the prices. So it would be a good look to keep this today. And if you want to make some hedges, gold may be a good one to hold. If we take a look at ZN and ZB, we can see that it's come down quite a bit in the past 2 days, possibly because of what's going on with the Fed. We've seen kind of a general decline in treasuries over the last little bit since August. So it could be something to watch for. I would definitely keep an eye on this. And if we take a look at oil, it's down a little bit today, but it seems to be coming on an upward trend. So just a few things to watch out for today. We're going to be going over the FOMC 123 trade a little bit further today, where Matt and I will go over how to perform this trade. Essentially, it's an easy trade that you can use to go over. You can use it as soon as the Fed announcement comes out. There's always a pattern that goes along with it, and if you want to do some short scalping and go with some futures, it's a good trade to do. You can also do with some short-term options, but it's best to do with futures. And we'll go over that later today. Thanks, and see you later.